After having worked with so many examples, we'll close off this particular session with one final illustration. What I have is a simple data, month-wise sales in US dollars. My objective is in column C, I should have month-wise cumulative sales. Now what I mean is, in the first month, the cumulative sales of course has to be just the same as January. But for the next month, it should be the one so far, that is January, plus the new sales, that is 7,100. For the next one, it has to be similar, that is the sales so far, January and February combined, plus the one introduced in March. Now this is one way of doing the entire problem, that is using a connected formula which ensures it calculates the total so far with the additional new month. Now this can be simplified with one sum formula. Let us see how. Now look closely. If I start with a sum formula, normally it asks for a range. Agreed. Now if I select just B6 and I press colon, it automatically selects the sales. Now you might ask me, why am I selecting B6 twice? Now I would want that whenever I drag the formula down, copy paste it down, if I fix B6 fully, that is the starting point of any given range, the first part of the given range, and I keep B6, the second half, free of any dollars. If I do that and enter, so far look just for January, but if I drag it down, let's see what happens behind the scenes. Since the beginning part of the range was fixed and the latter part that was not fixed, this has moved, allowing to accommodate January and February both. The next one, same story. The beginning of the range was fixed, but the next part was not, because of which this time it is able to take all the 3 months of the first quarter, January, February, March. If I do that for the rest till December, I will be getting the cumulative sales balances month-wise. Yeah, just as a control check, the total is matching with that of the December cumulative sales. So I hope you are able to get good enough examples with respect to absolute and relative referencing, because this is one concept, although looks easy, but will be used in extensive nature at later point in time.